Hi and welcome back to Garfin's Creation. Today I'm sharing one of the most loved snacks in many Catholic families, that is the delicious chicken hot dog recipe. These hot dogs buns are filled with spicy chicken filling. That's great to snack on any time of the day for picnics, travels, gatherings. Add it to your lunch box. Add them to your snacks giveaway boxes and rosary gatherings too. The detailed recipe is mentioned below, so let's get started with the recipe. We'll begin first by making this red masala paste. We'll have to grind some spices, and so for that I've taken some Kashmiri red chillies here. Along with that I've also taken 2 of the spicy varieties red chillies. We'll soak this in hot water for at least half an hour so this becomes easier to grind later. So just keep it in the hot water for half an hour, let it soak well, and then after 30 minutes we will grind this. The chilies have become soft now, so we'll just put them into a mixer grinder. Add all the chilies along with the water too. Along with the chilies, we'll also be adding 1 inch ginger piece, 12 cloves of garlic, Jerra, that is cumin seeds, and Haldi powder. Just grind this into a fine paste. And you can definitely add more water to grind this into a fine smooth paste. So the red masala paste is ready, and now it's time to cook the chicken mince along with this. So for that I've just heated a pan and added 2 tablespoons of oil into it. Once the oil is hot, we'll be adding 2 large onions that are finely chopped. Just fry the onions till they are nice and soft. We do not have to brown them. So keep stirring them till they get a little bit soft. If you prefer, you can also add more onions to this. That will increase the quantity of the chicken mince filling. So now stirring this, the onions have got soft, and now it's time to add in some tomatoes. Take 2 medium-sized tomatoes and chop them finely. Add that too into the onions along with some salt. Adjust the salt as per your taste. You can also adjust the salt at the end once the chicken is cooked. Now we need to stir this and cook till the tomatoes are nice and soft. This will take some time, but let the tomato get nice and soft. Once soft, we'll be adding the red masala paste that we had just ground. You need to take the full quantity of the ground masala paste. Now give this all a nice mix. Now we'll let this masala cook on medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes till it is well cooked. Do keep stirring this in between. The red masala paste that we had ground can be used for other recipes too. Once the masala is well cooked, we'll be adding some chicken mince into it. This is 450 grams of chicken mince that is nicely washed. Add it into the masala and mix it well. Keep stirring this chicken for about a minute so that it doesn't form into any lumps. And then we'll also be rinsing the mixie jar with just a little quarter cup of water and add that too into the mince. Now mix this once again, and we need to cook the chicken on medium flame. We have to cook the chicken well, so cover and cook this for at least about 12 to 15 minutes. And do keep stirring this in between so that it does not get burned. You can use this chicken mince filling not just for hot dogs, but also to make some lovely sandwiches, parathas, add it to your patties, taco filling, potato chops, add it to pita bread, have it along with poi, also as a side dish with some pav or chapati too. So after 15 minutes, the chicken is cooked, and you'll also notice some oil that keeps coming up. So now into this we'll be adding some garam masala powder, sugar to balance the flavor, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This is going to make it nice, spicy and tangy. Now once more give this all a nice mix, and we'll just cook this for about 1 or 2 minutes more. And with this, our delicious chicken mince filling will be ready. You can make the chicken mince filling in advance and keep it, and also use it whenever you want to fill in your hot dog breads. This chicken filling is so delicious. If you try it once, I'm sure you'll never buy hot dogs from outside again. So now let me show you how you can use this into a hot dog breads. Here I've got some hot dog breads. We'll just cut it slit open from the side, and we'll just add in some of the prepared chicken filling into it. If you cannot get these hot dog breads, you can even use the normal ladi pav and fill them with the chicken filling. Now just fill in the hot dog breads with the chicken filling. Do not overfill this. This recipe can be used as a commercial recipe to start your hot dog business as well. Most hot dogs are usually filled up like that, cutting from the side. But if you prefer, you can also slit the top of the bread that is in the center. Give a nice deep cut and fill in the cavity with the chicken filling. So in whichever way you prefer, you can fill the hot dog breads as you like. And of course, you can surely replace the chicken mince with any other mince of your choice as well. Just cook it till the mince is done. I've also shared other hot dog recipes as well. I'll be putting the link up here and at the end of the video too. So fill in as many breads as you want and can keep the rest of the filling in the fridge. To wrap these, I've just taken a piece of butter paper. Just place the bread on the center and roll it round. And to seal it, just twist both the ends. So do make and serve these hot dogs recipes with your family and friends too. This recipe is our family favorite, and I'm sure if you try it once, it's going to guarantee to become your family favorite too. Don't forget to check out the detailed recipe which is mentioned below. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Garfin's Creation for more such authentic recipes. More recipes coming up. I'll see you soon again in another recipe too. Till then, take care and bye-bye.